Here comes Heather battling Nemo one-on-one, and she lost. She just lost.
Come to me, jungle friend.
The dogs have no chance. Three-legged dog has no chance.
Oh, the smells in my jacket.
I can't help you. I'm not coming. Kenzie, you gonna go help mommy? Kenzie, go get mommy. Go get mommy. She needs help. Look at her. She's coming. No, she's not. Let me get this from inside here to get an idea of what we did to dig out.
Holy crap.
Come on, Kenzer.
Come on, Dee. Careful.
It's a good girl. That's a nice little snowboard.
She needs her vest.
Come on, Kenz.
Come on, Ken.
She's
Fly.
Alright.
You coming, Ken?
What was that?
I just kicked the Ken.
Oh. Kenz?
Coming? Good girl, take it slow. Come on.
Oh my goodness. And it's still snowing. After 24 hours, still. And this is what happens when Mother Nature pisses her pantsuit. Oh my God. It's like still coming down like ridiculous.
We're supposedly in advance that's going to drop another 2 to 3 inches an hour. Alright, we should see what the gremlins are up to.
Alright. What do you say, girls?
Cut.